In today's print environment, every minute of uptime matters, and every fault can cost you time, money, and quality. Over time, even the best equipment begins to wear. Small issues build up, often unnoticed, until they stop your production completely, costing you time and money. With Heidelberg Preventative Maintenance, you stay in control, keeping your press running at peak performance. Our expert engineers service your machine using specific lubricants and service kits containing OEM parts. Inspections are made for any potential issues that may cause unexpected breakdowns, and checks are made on the safety systems. All our PMs are followed up by a full equipment report using the newly developed Maintenance Manager. Reduce unplanned downtime, maintain consistent print quality, extend the life of your equipment, and keep your business moving. Don't wait for problems to slow you down. Heidelberg Preventative Maintenance, keeping your production one step ahead.